Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to create a USB recovery drive in Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Creating a USB recovery drive in Windows 11 directly from within the operating system is straightforward. Here's how you can do it. Insert your USB drive into your computer. Ensure it has at least 16 GB of space. This is crucial if you want to be able to reinstall Windows from the recovery drive. Otherwise, you can create a USB recovery drive without the ability to reinstall Windows, which will have limited recovery options and require at least 1 GB of space. Click on the Start button or press the Windows key. Type recovery drive in the search bar and select the tool from the search results. You may be prompted by user account control to confirm that you want to create a recovery drive. Click Yes to proceed. Check the box that says Backup System Files to the recovery drive. This option is crucial as it allows you to reinstall Windows if needed. Click Next to continue. Choose your USB drive from the list of available drives. Ensure you select the correct drive, as choosing the wrong one will erase its contents. Click Next to proceed. Click the Create button to start the process. This step will format your USB drive and copy the necessary files. It may take some time, so be patient. Once the process is complete, safely eject the USB drive from your computer. Store your recovery USB in a safe place. Whenever your PC runs into trouble, you can boot from this drive and use the recovery tools to fix issues or reinstall Windows 11 if needed. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.